So we were trying to figure out what we should do today, and we decided we're gonna go bowling.
Yeah, never been together. We're going bowling.
High five.
Yelp to the nearest place.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna
Walking
do
distance.
Lucky Strike bowling. Should be a good time. Oh, FYI, stopped at a grocery store, pick up some mixers, and saw these. Boom! We're so twinning. We're gonna walk around like we're tourists.
I think this is a bad idea, but he thinks it's great, so I'm gonna just roll with it. Gonna go with it.
We look amazing! The cheesier, the better.
That's our motto. Cheesier the better. Yay! Go big or go home.
Keep life fun, everyone.
Hashtag blessed.
So this is where I tell everyone that Holly whooped my ass. She like literally destroyed me. And she's in the back right now, so I made sure I did this without her seeing it. But yeah, that was the thing. She killed it. She whooped my ass. Never trust a person who has their grandmother's bowling shoes. Hey guys, I want to say thank you for watching. Also, a huge shout out to Chandri and her entire staff over at the Lucky Strike in Hollywood, because they made our experience wonderful. So thank you to them. Also, guys, remember, explore your city, explore your state, keep it local. You can always find new things, new places to eat, new museums to go to, anything that you find you're not normally interested in, but you might want to check out, just go do it. So get out and go explore, and we'll see you next time. So, big news. Twinning.
His idea, bought at Ralph's.
Mm-hmm.
Stupid, y'all. This is so dumb.
It's not dumb. Oh yeah. We're going to Paris.
We're going to Paris. Paris. We're going to Paris.
And we're going to bring our matching shirts.
No, we're the fuck not. I am not wearing this.
She's right. We're going to get one that says Paris.
You dick. We are not.
That's going to be our thing.
That's the worst idea I've ever heard.
That's going to be our thing from now on. Getting matching shirts.
Oh my god, if we have a pic, that's actually kind of funny. It's actually kind of funny.
Hashtag my LA life.
See what I have to deal with? Do you see what I have to deal with?
Honestly, that's why you love me.
It's
really
kind of
why.
true.
It's really why she loves me.
Yeah. I love him just
That's why
for that
she sticks
reason.
around.
Yep. For life, homie.
Boom,
This
boom.
picture, oh my god. Oh my god.
This is so great. You have no idea.
Look at those stupid ass cheesy folks.
Amazing. Don't let her tell you otherwise. It's amazing.